as you know him, he is
The great
Krish.
Krish.
So today we are going to play a game which is known as Would You Rather. And in this game we'll be asking questions starting with would you rather be this or that, and the one has to
Do
answer
this
it.
or that.
Okay. So
Fine.
yeah, without any further ado,
Let's get into the video.
so first question is, would you rather be in jail for a year or lose a year of your life?
Jail.
Days.
Jail.
Jail. Why?
एक्सपीरियंस करना है मुझे जेल. हाँ वो अंदर का वो मैंने सुना है अंदर लड़ाई वड़ाई होती है वो तब
जाके
देखना
चुरा लो
है.
कुछ, स्टील को. चलो नेक्स्ट ईयर.
चल ठीक है. Would you rather be able to fly or be invisible, like permanent invisible?
और फ्लाई कभी कभी की परमानेंटली.
Permanent कैसे हो सकता है?
फ्लाई मतलब उड़ ही
उड़ती
रहे
हो
हैं. हाँ.
पूरी like
Okay, so
whole life span तो उड़ रही हो.
fly anytime fly.
Nice.
Next
Like
question is,
एक सेकेंड. कैसे फ्लाई में क्या यू वांट विंग्स और अपने हाथ को ही यूज करना है?
नहीं wings. I want wings. Would you rather always be 10 minutes late or always be 20 minutes early?
10 minutes late.
पहले तो कहीं नहीं पहुंचा. ये वीडियो
सोने को
बनाने
मिल
के लिए
जाएगा.
he was just like नहीं रुक जाओ अभी.
Would you rather be an unimportant character in the last movie you saw or an unimportant character in the last book you read? पहले
Unimportant character in novel. मूवी में आ जाएंगे तो important नहीं आएंगे. नॉवेल कम लोग पढ़ते हैं ना. So yeah, would you rather have the power of knowing what's going on in someone's mind or would have the power to go anywhere you want anytime?
anywhere anytime.
सामने वाले के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, you don't want to know. Like if you are just
Like anywhere anytime. Like मैं अभी जा सकता हूँ ऐसे हिमालय चढ़ गया टॉप पे गया मैंने वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड ही तोड़ दिया.
चलो moving on next.
ठीक है. Would you rather be completely insane and know that you are insane or completely insane and believe you are sane?
ना completely insane and know that I'm insane. ऐसे नहीं लोग कहेंगे पागल है पागल. मैं नहीं, I'm not पागल. ऐसे नहीं.
तभी तो मजा है.
Nah.
Okay.
Would you rather be able to talk to land animals or water animals?
Land animals,
मतलब
water
ये छिपकली
animals.
से बात करने वाला है. ये छिपकली तू यहाँ क्या कर रही है?
ये चीज क्रॉप नहीं होनी चाहिए. Lizard animal है.
It's a reptile, but land animal mean land में जितने भी जो reptile, insect जो भी पूरा और water में जो भी.
So जब
तो
क्वेश्चंस
water
ढंग
में
के बनाना तब
animal
आना
नहीं
मेरे
होते तो
पास.
चलो next you ask.
ठीक है. चलो move on. Would you rather wake up as a new random person every year and have full control of them for the whole year, or once a week spend a day inside a stranger without having any control of them?
1 year में एक बारी क्या था question?
Would you rather wake up as a random person every year and have full control of them?
Of them?
Like you wake up in someone else's body but you have full control of the
अच्छा
body.
हाँ yeah.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
और wake up in a random body
हाँ. And
but
it's
you don't
totally
have any
stranger.
control.
हाँ.
Yeah,
हाँ.
you don't have control.
So yeah, random person's body and have full control. I'm gonna be inside your body and just go and steal whatever I want to, then you will get to go in jail. Moving on to the next question. Would you rather end up this pandemic or get good grades in your class?
End this pandemic.
12th में अच्छे marks नहीं लाने इसको.
पास हो गए बहुत है अभी.
Next.
Would you rather be unable to move your body every time it rains or not be able to stop moving while the sun is out?
Would you rather? फिर से?
Would you rather be unable to move your body every time it rains or not be able to stop moving it while the sun is out?
रेन का सीजन बस 1 महीना 1.5 महीना का होता है. सन तो पूरा टाइम आएगा. Rain. Now, would you rather have unlimited international first class tickets or never have to pay for food at a restaurant?
First one obviously.
मतलब खाना फ्री का नहीं खाना है, घूमना है फ्री का, फर्स्ट क्लास टिकट।
ऑब्वियसली कहीं जाके देख लूंगा क्या खाने है। तो छोटे में भी ढाबे पे हो जाता है।
चलो योर चांस।
चलो मूविंग अहेड, वुड यू रादर हैव टू फार्ट लाउडली एवरी सिंगल टाइम यू have a serious conversation or have to burp after every sentence you speak?
The first one, and I won't explain why.
You have to.
ऐसे कोई सीरियस कॉन्वर्सेशन करने फिर आएगा नहीं ना।
मतलब कभी
If I do
सीरियस
that.
कन्वर्सेशन होगी ही नहीं किसी
नहीं
से।
फिर करना ही नहीं। Next, would
अभी मतलब कभी हो गई तो फिर फार्ट आउट लाउड मतलब कैसे
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा।
हाँ, so I'll say ना कि ये टेबल ट्रैक हो गई।
I'll show them this video.
Would you rather be forced to dance every time you heard music? Every time you heard
hear.
music. Heard. सुनोगे, hear नहीं, सुन रहे हो नहीं.
You will hear. जब तुम सुनोगे तभी नाचोगे ना, तुमने सुना होगा उसको।
Would you rather be forced to dance every time you heard music, or forced to sing along to any song you heard every time? मतलब कभी भी गाना सुना तो गाने लग जाओ, कहीं पे भी बैठे हो, और कहीं पे भी गाना सुना तो डांस करने लग गए, कहीं पे भी बैठे.
Second option.
You'll sing.
Yeah.
You are in someone's funeral and someone is just.
तो जो जिस हिसाब से गाना बज रहा होगा उस हिसाब से ही गाऊंगा ना मैं, कोई धूम मचा ले कहीं पे थोड़ा ना चालू हो जाऊंगा। चलो अच्छा है थोड़ा। Would you rather vomit uncontrollably for 1 minute every time you hear the happy birthday song, or get a headache that lasts for the rest of day every time you see a bird, including in pictures or a video?
हाँ, सेकेंड ऑप्शन. बर्ड देखना ही नहीं ना, फिर पता होगा एक मेंटली वो होगा कि
देख
ऊपर नहीं
लिया
देखना है,
तो
तो फिर
मतलब
एक दिन
देख
पूरा
one-
सर दर्द ना. आई कैन ईट देन. वो कौन सी टैबलेट आती है?
Disprin.
Disprin. Yeah. Would you rather smell like a poop every time or have a bad breath always?
Repeat.
Would you rather smell like a poop every time or have a bad breath always? Like you're continuously smelling like a poop, or you have a bad breath?
Bad breath.
Okay. You don't want to go close, and if you're just doing my makeup like in the previous videos and you're like.
I have a bad breath. I don't make faces like
तो जो दूसरे के किया ना that one will do no. यहाँ से भागो. So next.
Would you rather have everything you draw become real, but be permanently terrible at drawing, or be able to fly but only as fast as you can run?
Second option. Drawing में पता चला I'm making a car
Car.
और बन गया कुछ भी, तो केकड़ा आ गया, कॉकरोच आ गया. No, I don't want that. चलो. Would you rather live in a house with a pool of chocolates or with a pool of Red Bull?
Red Bull.
Chocolate नहीं. अभी he finished my chocolate. Entire chocolate he ate.
See, Red Bull. You bring Red Bull, I'll drink Red Bull. Don't bring chocolates to me.
So next.
Okay, so would you rather become twice as strong when both of your fingers are stuck in your ears, or crawl twice as fast as you can run?
No, strong. Why would I crawl?
So you want to be strong like this?
हाँ.
Fight
कैसे
me
चलेगा?
off like a
Yeah, I'll
firefighter.
do that. But crawl कब करना है? That will not. I can't use that power ना. I don't want to use that power. Why would I
You can
crawl?
become a cat.
Why?
Crawl.
Why? Look at him. You can become a cat. Would you rather want to be a vampire or richest boy in the world?
Vampire, obviously. DVD देखा ही होगा सबने.
I knew that.
So,
Last.
last question.
Yeah.
Okay. So, would you rather be itchy or only be able to use one ply of toilet paper? Like itchy all
One ply
the
of
freaking
toilet
time, or
One ply of toilet paper. I can use water also, na then.
your fingers?
No. I'll just wash the toilet paper sometimes and yeah.
You'll wash the toilet paper.
I can't be itchy all the time. Like I'm talking. No. So that will work.
Still, one ply of toilet paper. Okay,
So
so
with that we end our video, and
hope you all enjoyed. So see you in the next video, baby.
and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Bye.